This morning, ang usa sa mga cast sa bagong afternoon prime series si GMA, ang babawiin ko ang lahat. Let's all welcome singer and actor, Mr. Jet Pangan. Mayong buntag, Sir Jet, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello to all the viewers of GMA Regional TV Live. Ako po si Jet Pangan. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Maayong buntag,
Hi,
Sir Jet. Hello po. Kumusta po kayo at ang pamilya nyo?
Fortunately, we are safe, no? Everyone is healthy. Okay naman kami lahat kahit pa paano, easing back into work, kumbaga. Yes.
That's good to know po. Pero we'd like to know also, Sir Jet, what's your typical day like at home? Ano yung mga family activities that you enjoy doing with the whole family?
Actually, Cecil, because of the quarantine, may mga bago kong skills na natutunan eh. Konting pagkakarpintero. Ang hindi ko lang kayang gawin talaga magluto. Pero marunong na ako mag-chop ng onions, ganyan. Oo.
So at least...
And of course, painting. No? Naka-try ako mag-painting. Hindi pa ganun kagaling. I'm not that good yet. Pero yun talaga, no? When you're stuck at home, you get to learn other things na akala mo hindi mo kayang gawin.
And Sir Jet, dahil Feb-E big month ngayong February, what keeps your heart motivated po and very much inspired?
It's really my family. Ever since, I got married and raised kids, Valentine's for me is all about the family.
Pero ayan, we talked about your family. This time naman po, let's talk about your first love, itong pagkanta. Kasi you have already made your mark dito sa music industry natin sa bansa. Pero paano po kayo napunta sa theater and also acting for television?
That's a good question. No? Parang everything was a happy accident eh. Mga halos mag-new millennium na noon, mga year 2000, I was given a break to do theater. No? Tapos tuloy-tuloy na siya. Thanks to my manager, si Ricky Gallardo, he gave me opportunities to be an actor talaga for series, for movies.
Pero kumusta po kayo at yung mga bandmates niyo po sa The Dawn? Kumusta po yung samahan niyo hanggang ngayon?
Well, right now, I have to say, mahirap talaga. But for The Dawn, ang nagagawa namin siguro is we check on each other now. Kumusta ka? How's your health? And we write songs online. But yeah, tuloy lang.
And we look forward to the day na makita po kayo all together, na may live band talaga at nagpo-perform kayo live. Sana soon.
Yeah, we miss Cebu actually. Miss na namin Cebu. Every time tumutugtog kami dyan, the audience is very asaya kasama.
Pero this time po, pag-usapan po natin itong bago niyong project dito sa GMA, ang babawiin ko ang lahat. Ano po yung magiging papel niyo dito sa bagong afternoon prime series?
Okay, this prime series, pangalan nung aking character here is si Akira. So he's a Japanese man na ex ng character ni Carmina na si Dulce. So medyo hindi maganda yung paghihiwalay nila dahil there's money involved. So si Akira is a member of a crime syndicate, no? So sinundan niya si Dulce, si Carmina sa Pilipinas to sort things out, kumbaga. So yeah, may pagka-kontrabida role po. To all the live viewers of GMA Regional TV dyan sa Cebu and sa Visayas, I'm Jet Pangan inviting you to please support. Babawiin ko ang lahat on GMA.
And Sir Jet, before we end our conversation this morning, we would love if you can sing to us, especially our viewers, any love song po that you have for all of us ngayong umaga.
Ang sabi ng langit sa isang saglit, puso ko'y sinagip mo sa dilim.
Nice! What a beautiful song. Daghang salamat, Sir Jet!
Daghang salamat.